Hi, welcome to pharmacy.
Hello, pharmacy.
Myself Liz and I'm at pharmacy. So you are here to.
Yeah, I'm here to pick up my medication.
Oh, please sit.
Thank you.
Okay, so I got your profile
Mm-hmm.
and I have a prescription here as well. So I see. Okay, 2640 South University Drive. That's your current address.
Yeah, that's my current address.
And 347-446-8769 is your
Yeah, that's
phone number.
my cell phone
Okay.
number.
Currently, I see that in your medication history doesn't say that you have any allergy. But are you have any allergy?
No,
right now?
I do not have any allergy.
Okay.
That I know.
I can see you are taking hydrochlorothiazide for your hypertension. Is there any prescription medication are you taking currently?
No, that's the only medication I take for my blood pressure.
Okay.
And I'm also taking sometimes aspirin for my pain and fever.
Yeah. So how often you taking aspirin?
Not that often, just when I need it,
Like
once
so
month
once
or
a
so.
while, right?
Yeah, once
Okay,
a while, not
that's
that
fine.
often.
Any other OTC besides aspirin?
No, not really.
Okay. And do you know this medication is for what?
Yeah, my doctor told me that your blood pressure is not under control, so
Yeah.
that's why he prescribed one more medication to control my blood pressure.
Yeah. So currently you have thiazide in your prescription that you are taking, but your blood pressure is not under control. So that's why doctor have prescribed you this other drug, which is Nopril, that will help you to lower down your BP. It's a blood pressure. So how are you feeling now?
Sometimes I feel tired and fatigued. Sometimes
Yeah,
I don't
because-
feel great,
yeah.
and like last couple of weeks I also skipped one of my doses,
Oh.
so I was not feeling great at that time.
Yeah. So that's why doctor prescribed you this another medication.
Okay.
So did doctor tell you how to take this medication?
He just told me you have to take 2 times a day or so, something like that, but I don't remember.
No, it's not 2 times. Okay, let me help you out. So do you have any problem taking medication orally by mouth?
No, I don't. have
Yeah,
any
so
problem.
basically he prescribed you drug. You have to take this medication every day at once. So please try to take at the same day so that way you don't forget. So like you just said that you forget some doses in last month. So it's very important that you take medication every day without forgetting.
Okay.
So if you like just set up like after lunch something, so that
Yeah, I
way
remember.
you don't forget and it will help to take medication.
Same time every day.
Yeah, no, it will help you to take medication so you won't forget.
Okay.
Okay, and even if you forget sometimes, please don't take 2 tablets at the next dosing time or
Okay.
next time. That's not good. So if you forget, just skip that dose and continue from the next
dose.
next dose.
Okay.
And are you taking any potassium supplement or like potassium salt?
Yeah, last month I was my doctor prescribed me some potassium supplement, potassium chloride or something like that.
Yeah, it's
But when I went to the doctor's office last time, he told me that stop taking your potassium chloride medication. I don't know why. So
yeah, and he prescribed this in your pill.
yeah, maybe you can explain me
Yeah,
why. he
sure,
told
sure.
me.
That first drug that you are taking, that hydrochlorothiazide.
Yeah, my
that
water
will,
pill.
Yeah, water pill. That will decrease your potassium level in your body.
Okay.
So that's why doctor had prescribed you
Potassium
KCl,
supplement.
potassium chloride for the supplement.
Okay.
But now he just prescribed you lisinopril.
Okay.
So this drug will increase that level. So now you don't need that potassium supplement to take. So that's why he just cancelled that medication.
Okay.
And so that's perfect.
Okay.
And regarding this medication, like keep in mind when you are influenced of this medication, don't drive car because
Okay.
you might feel dizziness. So that might cause problem. And when you are sitting or laying down, and when you try to stand up, please stand up slowly because might be dizzy, like might you feel dizziness and might you fall down. So just keep in mind these things. And by any point, if you find any symptoms regarding like you are getting swelling,
Swelling.
dry cough,
Okay.
then please call us so that way I can contact doctor and discuss about your medication.
Yes, definitely.
Because that's the major side effects that so we have to stop
There's a
that
number,
medication.
pharmacy number on the bottle.
Yeah,
right?
sure. You can call anytime
Okay.
regarding any question. So please keep in mind once again, it's if you're getting any cough or swelling, so please call. Don't
Okay.
forget to as soon as
Okay.
possible. And yeah, I have tried my best. Okay, one more thing I forget. Yeah, did doctor prescribe you about diet or exercise?
No, last time when I went to doctor's office, I was busy and I had to go to work, so I didn't get that much chance to talk with the doctor. So usually, I mean, I'm not that much concerned about my diet, but I'm not sure how to control diet with this medication.
Yeah, so I see that you are like your body weight is little high.
Okay.
So, and one of the cause for the hypertension, for the higher blood pressure, is like higher fat. So if you control in your diet, like taking low fat diet, and also salt is very important element in this food as well. So try
Okay.
to take low fat and low salt food.
Okay.
It will lower down your like pressure,
Mm-hmm.
and it will help.
Okay.
And like if you walk a mile per day, that will really help you to lower down hypertension. And okay, I have explained everything just to make sure that you understand everything. Can you please just repeat, like, what's this medication for?
This medication is to control my blood pressure.
Yeah, and what do you expect if you take every day regularly?
Regularly, if I take this medication and my water pill regularly, it will help to control my blood pressure and keep it under the control. That's what is important.
And how should you take this medication?
I'll have to take this medication by mouth every day orally.
Yeah, and I have explained you two major things that you have to keep in mind. If you find those two things, please call doctor as soon as possible and stop medication.
Yeah, just any swelling or something like that.
Yeah.
And usually I don't have cough or something like that, but if I find that just because of taking this medication, if I have a bad cough or something like that, then I have to contact either you or
Yeah.
the
Perfect.
doctor's office.
And you have any question for me now?
I think you have explained everything. So
Yeah.
thank
Still,
you.
if you find any question when you go home, you
Yeah,
can call
number
us
is
pharmacy.
there. Yeah, I will definitely contact.
And I see that we have one refill left for this.
Okay.
So
So
when you're about
when
to
is my
finish,
next refill due?
yeah, it's a 30 day from now. It's 30.
Oh, it's 30
pills.
days supply.
So when you like your 3 or 4 pills, just call pharmacy.
Okay.
So like it's one refill available, so we'll refill your drug and you can pick up.
Okay.
Okay, so nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for
And
pharmacy
please
for
take
your
medication at time.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Nice.